in fire.
Before the world knew pizza, it was born in fire. No lights, no machines, just hands and a dream. Flower in the air, hope everywhere. Knead it slow, let it rise. Knead it slow, let it rise. Feel the life come alive. Simple things, simple art. From the earth to the heart. Stretch it wide, let it breathe. Ancient hands, ancient dreams. Tomatoes red as it flows. Watching flower mode an ancient dream. Ancient hands, ancient dreams. Tomatoes red as it flows. Nature's gift softly glows.
Throw it in the fire.
Throw it in the fire. Let the flames rise higher. Stone and heat collide. Watch the crust come alive. Golden crispy, can't deny. This is how legends rise. From the flame to the soul. This is where stories are told. Wood and fire dancing bright, burning through the silent night. Every spark, every flame whispers out pizza's name. No shortcuts, no disguise, only truth in the fire. From the past it still grows, and every bite it shows. Throw it in the fire, let the flames rise higher. Stone and heat, watch the crust come alive. Golden crispy, feel the heat. History in every bite you eat. From the flame to the soul, this is what makes it whole. Close your eyes, take it in. Where it starts, where it's been. Through the fire, through the years.
Have to try this one, it is incredible. To the best pizza in the village. Cheers. Throw it in the fire.
Throw it in the fire, let the flames rise higher. Born and flame, made with soul. This one's fun, you and this is pizza's legacy. And it's still being written. One slice at a time.